How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Pasquale with Keller Williams, and today I'm going to show you how to create a listing for your own market center. This is a very easy process, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. It should only take a couple of minutes. So to get started on command, we're going to go over here to the left-hand side, and we're going to press Listings. From the Listing tab, we're going to go to the very top right, and we're going to press Create New Listing. There's going to be a little checkmark box that you can do called Market Center Exclusive. We're going to go ahead and checkmark this. The next thing is a legal disclaimer. Go through and read this before you checkmark it. Checkmark this, move on. And the next thing is who can see this listing. For this example, we're going to do only KW agents in your own market center. So I'll checkmark that. We'll go to the next step. Everything else here is pretty straightforward. The listing category, for sale, listing status, it is internal and active. The property type, what is your kind of property type? This one's going to be a residential. The subtype, let's say it is a single family attached. And the internal expiration date, what this automatically does, it's automatically going to set an expiration date 30 days out of when you're creating it. So 30 days from now would be April 20th. So we'll leave it there. And if you have an agreement with the seller, this is where you can go ahead and put on the agreement expiration date. The next thing is the listing date. This is automatically grayed out where you can't mess with it because this date is when the listing should be active on KWLS. Scroll down a little bit more, and now we have listing agent details. This is yourself. The listing agent, it's automatically going to be yourself here. This is where you're able to put in the seller commission and the buyer commission. And the very last tab is the market center you want to select because you might be associated with a couple market centers. So for this example, I'm choosing San Diego Metro, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Next thing is listing details, the price of the listing. So let's say for this example, the price of this listing is $1 million. How many bedrooms is it? Let's say it's 3-bedroom. Let's say it is 1 full bath, 1 half bath. There's around 2,000 square feet in the living area. Let's say the lot size is around 10,000. If you have any property description, feel free to throw it in here. We'll scroll down a little bit more, and the next thing you're going to need is the address of the place. So for an example, I'm just going to type in random numbers. Perfect. We'll choose this one. It should automatically pre-fill the rest of the information once you type in the first set of the address there. It's going to give you a little quick snapshot on Google Maps of where exactly this is. There is this hide street address button that you could go ahead and select if you want to, and this makes it where only you and the co-listing agent can see the address. I'm not going to checkmark that. I'm going to leave it as is. We're going to scroll down a little bit more. It's automatically going to give you the neighborhood and the school district that the home is associated in. Pretty cool feature. We're going to go to the next step at the top right. This is where you're going to upload any photos and media you may have because you're obviously going to have a good amount of it. So go ahead and upload it here. And then we're going to move on to the next step, which is the final step. And that is the preview and confirmation screen where you're just going to go ahead and verify all this information is correct. And once it is all correct, you're going to go to the top right and create the listing. And that way only people in your market center are able to see this. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.